Please, can any one of you tell me the first lesson till what you have learned, till where you have learned? Anyone can give me a brief introduction to ecology? What all we learned, what were the vocabulary terms we covered? First thing about living and non-living, what are they called as? What are they called as? Living and non-living. Which factors? Yes, Leen, Mateen, Ghalia.
Yeah, miss.
Yeah, what is it called as? Living is called as? Which factor?
Biotic.
Biotic factor, very good. And how about non-living?
Abiotic.
Abiotic factor. Okay. Malak, can you give me example of abiotic factor? Malak,
Yeah.
can you give me example of abiotic factor?
We can say miss like
Yes, Malak.
yeah, miss, we can say
You can say a
bird.
bird. Okay, tell me the bird is under biotic or abiotic? Malak, tell me, bird, where will it arrive? Under biotic or abiotic?
Biotic.
Malak, give me example of abiotic. Yes, Malak? Ghalia? Biotic, she said me bird, that's correct. I want example of abiotic, Ghalia. Lean, example for abiotic.
Miss, we can say the sun, light.
Excellent, sunlight. Next,
We can say also the
rocks, yes.
we can say sand.
And
The sand. The temperature.
temperature, excellent.
Chair.
Yes, sir, yes.
And miss, you can say
Mateen, what did you say now?
Or
Chair? No.
chair.
No.
Yeah.
It includes like environment, girls. Rocks, mountains, natural ones, the nature. Okay?
We can say miss clouds. Moon.
Yes. Cloud.
Or planet.
Yes.
Planet.
Cloud. Moon.
Rain.
Rainfall. Yes.
Rain.
Yes.
We can also say sand. Like no, it's
sand, stones, rocks. So all this come under factors. So is it clear today? More? Did you understand what is the difference between biotic and abiotic?
Yeah, miss.
Then we spoke about population. Okay. If I say population, is it only one organism or many organisms living together?
Many organisms.
Okay. Zebras are here. These green colors are zebras. And this pink colors are monkeys. The brown colors are giraffe. Now, if I want to ask you, what is population? What is that? What does that mean?
It's like a number of the number of
yes, number of any organism.
But yeah, any organism living in like in the same
one
place.
Area. Girls, only one organism. If I say this is like example, if I want to say about one organism, only one only zebra, that is population. I cannot say if I say tell me population of zebra, will you count monkeys and giraffe? No. So this is population. This with different animals together, this is called as community. This is called as community. This one is community and this one is population. Did you understand the difference now?
Yeah, Miss.
Population with one species living in an area with many species, many different species, that is called as community. And when this community, I'm just explaining the community with the non-living, with the abiotic factor like clouds. I know these are never green, I'm just drawing them. Clouds, plants, and flowers. With that together, it is called as ecosystem. Together, it is called as ecosystem.
System.
Understood?
Yeah, Miss.
Yes.
That's it. Now, this was a quick revision.
Miss, can I ask you a question?
Sure, Malak?
Is fire an abiotic?
Fire, abiotic. Very good. Fire is abiotic. So we studied about community. We studied about population. We studied biotic and abiotic. Nietzsche. I told you Nietzsche is not the place they live. It's not habitat. Nietzsche means their needs. What is the prey? What do they like to eat? Where exactly they like to live in? The competition. Okay, now everyone has their own niche. Now, what is a biome? This is the new thing, what you will learn. What is a biome?
Bio.
Can you please, do you know about
Bio.
a biome? A B-I-O-M-E-S.
Biomes.
Yeah. Anyways, if you read this, you will understand it. Malak, can you read this paragraph, please?
Okay, Miss. What is a biome? Each ecosystem has its own unique biotic and abiotic factors. Some ecosystems have few plants
Miss, I can't
and
hear you.
are cold and
You cannot
dry.
hear
I
me?
will rejoin, okay?
Join again.
I will rejoin, okay, Miss?
I can hear you. Yes, I can.
And are cold and dry. Others have forests and are hot and moist. This wide diversity of ecosystems can be organized into categories. Large regions, categories by climate, and communities of species are grouped together as biomes. A biome can contain many ecosystems. Major land biomes include
stop till here. Let me
tropical
explain
rainforest.
biomes first, and then we'll see the different type of biomes. Girls, first thing, whenever
Yes, I think biomes is a collection of plants, animals.
not
something
exactly
like this.
collection, see, like I can call a small community as a biome. Biome is very vast, girls. Like example, the biome, you know, the whole Sahara desert is a biome. Yani whole a region. It's not country. Many countries together with same kind of environment. Like Arctic Ocean, all is ice. So this is a different biome. Some we have dry forests. That's a different biome. Some we have wetland. That is a different biome. Some it is desert. So this is a different biome. So like that, but biomes is not like only Saudi Arabia is a biome. No, it cannot be. All the desert is one biome. Okay. All the,
Okay, Miss.
yeah, like that. So
Rainforest.
first thing you remember is the wide diversity. The wide diversity of ecosystem. It is organized into categories. Large regions. Remember, it cannot be small regions. It has to be large regions which is characterized by climate and communities of species. We characterize them according to the community and species, according to the climatic condition. Most important thing is climatic conditions and communities. Together they are biomes. Now, good. Biomes are, they are usually 6 to 7. We have tropical rainforest. We have tropical, all are usually starting with TTT. You know, I used to teach my children there that it is T, tropical T, R, T, G, T, R, T, G, again T, G, again T, G, then again desert, and again you have TD, TD, and then you have TR once more, TR, and then again you have T and T. Now, girls, once again, I'll say you how many T's
So
are
like
there's many T's. See, first you have
this is a grassland
tropical.
biome.
See, 1 minute, let me finish this. Tropical and tropical. First we have tropical and tropical, then we have temperature and temperature. Tropical rainforest, tropical grassland, temperature, grassland, temperature, deciduous forest, D for desert. Then you have lastly T and T, that is taiga and tundra. Remember, whenever I say the word taiga and tundra, whenever I say these two, taiga and tundra, what will you remember? You will remember it's ice. Cold, you remember it's cold. It is cold. By the other name, when I say tropical rainforest, you know that that is rain and dry. Tropical, when I say tropical grassland, you know it's grassy and... Guys, I'll just come back. Give me a moment, please. Just till then, please see the names. I'm just talking about them. That we have tropical grassland, tropical rainforest, temperature grassland, desert, temperature deciduous forest, and temperature rainforest, taiga and tundra. This is all we know about the biomes. Now, when we go for each climatic condition, girls, what is climatic condition means? What makes you understand about temperature and what makes you understand about weather? First, tell me, what is the meaning of temperature, girls?
I know.
Yes, tell me.
Temperature is the temperature is like today. Today, yeah,
Yes.
it's rainy or sunny.
Okay, it's rainy or sunny. Okay. Now, that's what they say. These biomes are divided according to the temperature. Very, very important highlight. Taiga and tundra have temperatures all year, girls. Tropical biomes are warm all year. Whenever you hear the word tropical desert, tropical grassland, tropical rainforest, remember, even if it's rain, it will be a little bit warm. The taiga and tundra are cold. Tropical biomes are warm. Okay, when I say temperature biomes, they are warm in summers and they're cold in winters. Remember now, whenever I say temperature so it is warm and cold. When I say tropical, that means it is warm always. When I say taiga and tundra, they have cold temperatures. In some biomes, major temperature changes occur within a single day. Imagine, some deserts are hot during the day, but cold at night. Some deserts, they are hot in the afternoon, but it becomes cold at night. You know that we are staying in a desert. You know Saudi Arabia is a desert? We are staying in
What, miss?
Miss?
Yes. Any question?
No.
All right.
This is like a Greenland, a biome.
Greenland, yes. It's a Greenland. See, we have to say with that tropical or temperature. Grassland is nothing but it comes under Greenland. Okay?
So it's a biome.
That place, I cannot say that this is a biome. This comes under biome because biomes are very large lands. Greenland is a very small part of the biome. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Also differ in the amount of precipitation they receive. For example, tropical biomes receive a lot of rainfall, while deserts receive little precipitation. The taiga and tundra are moist in summers and dry in winter. This is all about taiga, tundra, and all about them, that how they are characteristic, how their climatic conditions are explained. Now, I don't know why did I, we just jump to niche and habitat, because I'm sure that yesterday we have explained, I explained you about
Can we highlight this?
Not all ecosystems are the same. Some living things are found in deserts and others are found in rainforests.
See, do you see here? The tundra is light blue color, taiga is purple color, forest, they are saying which area has what kind of biomes. Very interesting. I think I can even continue, but just watch the video, and then we'll continue tomorrow.
Obviously, these two places are very different. Large regions of Earth that have similar climates and communities of species are called biomes. Click the parts of the map to learn about some of Earth's biomes.
I told you this color is almost like very cold conditions, tundra and taiga.
The tundra biome is the coldest of the biomes. Few trees can live in these conditions, but the tundra is covered in shrubs, grasses, mosses, and lichens. Animals you might find in the tundra include caribou, Arctic foxes, polar bears, and other animals that are adapted to the cold. The desert biome is characterized by very little rainfall. Cacti are plants that are specially adapted to the harsh, dry conditions. Animals that are found in deserts include lizards.
Can you see the whole of Saudi Arabia? Can you see this? Whole of Saudi Arabia is a desert.
Yeah.
Whole this Saudi Arabia and the part of Africa, it's all a biome, which is a desert.
Yes, but how we are living in a desert?
Yes, we live in a desert.
But sometimes it's cold, but not really cold.
No, that's why
sometimes there's like
deserts are cold. Deserts are cold also.
oh really?
Yeah,
Yeah,
deserts
the
are
night,
cold at night.
the deserts are cold.
Yes.
Snakes, jackrabbits, coyotes, and other animals that thrive in hot,
We have
dry
lots of lizards. We have snakes. We have, you don't know about jackrabbits and all that, but we have all these.
climates. The temperate deciduous forest biome is characterized by a climate that is neither very hot nor very cold. These forests are filled with trees that lose their leaves once a year. Animals that can be found in temperate deciduous forests include squirrels, foxes, deer, raccoons, and many birds. The taiga is the largest biome on Earth. It is also second coldest after the tundra. Trees that are found in the taiga are mostly conifers, such as pine, spruce, and fir. Moose, deer, beavers, bears, and thousands of species of insects are some of the animals that are adapted to life in the taiga. Temperate grassland is found on plains in temperate regions of the world. These grasslands have moderate precipitation, hot summers, and cold winters. Tropical grasslands can get hot in summer, and in most, rain falls only during certain times of the year. As you might guess, the tropical grassland biome is characterized by grass. Many animals make their homes in these grasslands, including lions, cheetahs, elephants, giraffes, zebras, and ostriches and other birds. Which picture does not show a community of organisms?
Which is
Click
not
the correct answer.
Girls, which is not a community? Can you just say me?
What, miss?
Which picture does not show a community? Okay, this is full of giraffe all together. So this is
Miss, first one.
pigeon. Very good. And also one more.
That's correct. This picture
And
shows
the
only
one
one
that-
organism, a pigeon. It does not show a community of different species.
But see, frogs will be definitely with some, some other organisms here. That's why they're not ticks frog.
Yeah.
Which are examples of a niche and which are examples of a habitat?
Now tell me, what is a niche and what is a habitat, girls? What happened? Wait. A minute, girls. A minute. It will load again. It will load again. Wait a minute. Because I want you to divide them first.
Which are examples of a niche and which are examples of a habitat?
Okay. Now
Drag
this
each
one.
image to the correct box.
This one, is it niche or habitat? Is it a place to live or desire?
It's
a place to live. It's a
It's
simple.
a place to live.
Place to live. It's a simple place to live. Even this is a simple place to live. This is what they want to eat. This is their niche. This is the animal's niche. The spider's web.
Niche,
The web, I think so, it's a place to live, but it is their,
habitat.
uh,
Miss, but it's the
Niche.
spider
but
habitat.
with the web, it's a web. It's niche to live in the web. Okay, which environment it is living, that is a habitat.
One is environment. And it's
This is habitat. This is their niche again.
That's correct.
And
Remember,
Do you understand? The place, desert, these are, but their niche is the place, what they choose to live, especially web. This is their niche, especially web. Which condition like temperature, that is the habitat. All right? That's it for the lesson. Just see the important points of the lesson and we will end up.
you've learned a lot about ecology. Before we finish, let's take a quick look at the main points you covered. Ecology is the study of how organisms interact with one another and with their environments. An ecosystem is made up of living things, biotic factors, interactions between living things, and abiotic factors, non-living parts. An organism, a population, a community, an ecosystem, and a biome are all levels of organization of an environment. A habitat is a place where an organism lives. A niche is the organism's role in the ecosystem. Now that you've finished this lesson, if you wish, you can go back and review any part of the lesson again.
That's